Imagine a world unlike the one we know today. The clear blue skies have turned grey, blanketed by smoke and toxic air. Rivers and oceans are losing their life. Rainfall is decreasing, droughts are worsening, and natural disasters are becoming more frequent. Scientists warn that if humanity continues on its current path, the Earth of tomorrow will be far different from today. But is our planet truly heading toward destruction? Let's explore the evidence and scientific reasoning. Chapter 1: Climate Change and its Impact. For decades, human activities such as carbon emissions, deforestation, industrialization, and widespread use of vehicles have contributed to the rise of greenhouse gases. These gases trap heat in the atmosphere, causing what we know as global warming. Research shows that since 1900, the Earth's average temperature has increased by approximately 1.2 degrees Celsius. If current trends continue, scientists predict that by 2050, global temperatures could rise by 2 to 3 degrees Celsius. Consequences of rising temperatures include rising sea levels. Glacial melt and thermal expansion of oceans threaten over 400 million people living in coastal regions. Major coastal cities face an increasing risk of flooding. Extreme weather events. Heat waves, hurricanes, and intense rainfall are becoming more frequent. Scientists estimate that by 2050, the number of extreme weather events could double. Loss of biodiversity. As glaciers melt and oceans warm, many species face extinction. Coral reefs, polar bears, and countless marine and terrestrial species are at high risk. Climate change is no longer a distant threat. Its effects are already shaping the world around us. Chapter 2: Human Culture and Resource Scarcity. The threat to Earth is not only natural, it is amplified by human behavior. Water scarcity. Nearly 2 billion people worldwide lack access to safe drinking water. Rivers and reservoirs are drying, reducing water availability and threatening aquatic biodiversity. Food insecurity. Declining agricultural land, changing rainfall patterns, and soil degradation are reducing food production. By 2050, up to 9 billion people could face food insecurity. Deforestation and biodiversity loss. Since 1970, about 40% of global forests have been destroyed due to human settlement and industrialization. Deforestation not only eliminates wildlife habitats, but also reduces the Earth's natural capacity to absorb carbon. These crises reveal that humanity's survival is deeply interconnected with how we manage natural resources. Chapter 3: Pollution and Health Risks. Pollution of air, water, and soil has become one of the greatest threats to human health. Air pollution. Every day, millions fall ill due to harmful particles in the air, especially in urban centers where PM2, 5, and other toxins exceed safe limits. Plastic and chemical pollution. Oceans and soils are filling with plastics. Contaminants enter the food chain, affecting fish, animals, and ultimately humans. Health risks. Cancer, respiratory illnesses, diabetes, and other chronic diseases are rising. Experts warn that by 2050, pollution-related deaths could increase by 20% globally. Pollution is not just an environmental issue, it is a public health emergency. Chapter 4: Increasing Natural Disasters. Natural disasters are no longer random events. Their frequency and intensity are escalating due to climate change and human activity. Floods. Unpredictable rainfall and rising rivers are increasing the risk of catastrophic floods. Hurricanes and typhoons. The number of powerful storms and their destructive capacity are growing. Droughts and wildfires. Rising temperatures, deforestation, and monoculture farming are fueling more frequent and intense fires. These disasters not only devastate nature, but also threaten human communities, economies, and infrastructure. Chapter 5: Technology, Science, and Possible Solutions. Despite the risks, there is hope. Humanity has the tools and knowledge to mitigate environmental damage. Renewable energy. Solar, wind, and hydroelectric power are essential to reduce carbon emissions. Carbon capture technology. Extracting carbon from the air for storage or reuse can slow global warming. Smart agriculture and food production. Using less water and growing drought-resistant crops can maintain food security. Urban planning and transportation. Expanding green spaces, public transportation, and electric vehicles reduces pollution and conserves resources. Studies show that if we act now, it is still possible to slow or even reverse some environmental damage. Chapter 6: Social and Ethical Responsibility. Solving the Earth's crises is not just a technical challenge, it requires collective human responsibility. Individual action. Reduce plastic use, environmental stewardship, and adopt environmentally friendly lifestyles. Governments and international institutions teach younger generations the environmental laws. Every action, no matter how small, contributes to the planet's survival. Conclusion: 1930-20. The Earth is at a crossroads. Science warns us of the consequences, but it also shows us the solutions. Whether humanity chooses the path of destruction or the path of restoration depends on our choices today. The future of our planet, our species, and all life on Earth is in our hands. We must act, innovate, and protect this fragile home we call Earth before it's too late. Ready to copy? You can now select all text and paste it directly into Word, Google Docs, or your voiceover software. If you want, I can also make a spoken narration version with short sentences, pauses, and timing cues for easy reading by a narrator, perfect for a 20-25 minute documentary. Do you want me to do that? I'm Mike.